हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू। तो आज का जो है टॉपिक है कि हाउ टू स्पीक द लिटिल चिल्ड्रेन, यानी छोटे बच्चों को इंग्लिश जो है कैसे बोलना चाहिए। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो अबाउट द बेसिक, व्हाट इज द बेसिक कंसेप्ट टू स्पीक द लिटिल चिल्ड्रेन इन इंग्लिश। फर्स्टली we talk about the basic. By the way, you can see in every family there are the many kids and there are many children and they want to learn English. How do they learn English? If they know basic very well, so sure they can learn better. So firstly they have to start from basic level. If they know what is basic level, sure they can speak better. So here is some point, and because of this point they can speak better English, because nowadays we know in every fields those students, those children want to speak English. Firstly they have a basic knowledge, basic skills, then they are speaking better English. So first is here is given, talk to children in funny way. Yeah, it's very nice way. You talk to the children in funny way. By the way, if in your family there is a kids, okay, and they don't know English, but you wish, you have a wish that they also speak English. How do they speak? They can speak, but they have a one things. But how do they speak? So firstly you have to talk in funny way, like firstly you can start from basic level, like you can teach them like a basic things like a word meaning, vocabulary of the houses, kitchens, like a fruits, means basic knowledge totally. If they know basic knowledge and so deeply, sure they can speak better. By the way, if they are kids, just I want to give examples. If you talk about a plant, if I talk about a plant, if there is a very little plant and we are going to plant this in the field, but how do we plant this? Firstly we dig the land, then we put this plant in the land, okay, and then we can put like a soil, and after this we give water, we give like everything whatever the plants need, like everything we give, like water and food for plants. Because of these things plant will be grow, and after 5 days 10 days the plant's leaves will be green, and its look, the plant's leaves will be green, and because of water and everything, by food, by water, by everything, the plant is looking green. That is the same condition you have to implement on the students, on the little kids. Those are speaking, those are beginner, those are learner, they are going to speak first time. You have to talk basic, means you have to talk with a very funny way, and from morning to evening you have to talk with them in English. You have to make a routine. You can see here, establish a family English routine. मीन्स एस्टैब्लिश मीन्स एक स्थापित करो कि फैमिली इंग्लिश रूटीन की जो है एक घर में जितने भी किड्स हैं और एक दो जो है मेंबर हैं, बिटवीन बोथ दे स्टार्ट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. इफ बोथ स्पीक इंग्लिश, sure children can speak basic and they can speak like mistake way. In starting every students, every kids do mistake, but you don't mind, don't care this. Just you have to speak, and you have to learn your students they can speak also. Next is here, pick English topics that interest your kids. Pick English topic. आपको टॉपिक जो है पिक करना है, चूज करना है, एंड दैट टॉपिक वेरी इंटरेस्टेड, लाइक द काउ, माई हाउस, माई फादर, द लॉयन, द डॉग, like this kinds of topic you have to give to speak your kids, your children. If you give like this topic, sure they can speak a few sentences, but speak every day. children have to speak every day. If they speak every day by 1 month or 2 months, their English will be so strong and they can speak better English. Next is here, don't obsess over grammar. मतलब उनको अभी जो है ग्रामर पे ज़्यादा फोकस करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. I see there are many teachers, they teach a little kids grammar. In starting time, they should not teach grammars like a very difficult rule, because you know a little children's mind is how much developed. It's so few developed. So don't teach grammar them. You have to teach like only funny language, funny sentences. They can interested and they can speak better. Because I am also teacher and I teach before few years in schools, and when I was teaching in the first class, and first class students, they are totally kids like, and I used to teach them like a very funny language, funny sentences, funny story, okay, and I give them a basic topic like the dog, the lion, okay, like means basic topic they speak and they begin to speak. Next is here, you can find look for English opportunity during the day. Means look for English opportunity during the day. Means children they should give, and we should give the children English opportunity. Like sometimes they should motivate them. They should like all time they should encourage. If you encourage them, if you speak English, you know, atmosphere is the most important. If you give English atmospheres every day, then it can be a good for your children, your kids, and they can speak better. So because of these tips, because of this rule and regulations, your children can speak English. Firstly, you have to try. You have to be master yourself, because if you are a family owner, a family members of your house, your family, then you have to be a master of your kids, your children, and every day you have to talk your children's like 1 hour, 2 hour, yeah, from morning to evening. When you meet your kids, your children, then you must talk in English. Thanks for watching this video.